Hello guys, welcome back to Shiba News, the best spot for your daily dose of everything about Shiba Inu Coin and cryptocurrency. In today's video, we will talk about Shiba Inu future. Keep watching this video to find out more so that you don't miss out on an excellent opportunity to win a giveaway of Shiba Inu Coin at the end of this month. So be sure to stay focused as you surely don't want to miss out on this. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads and also enter our giveaway. Please remember this is not a financial advice video. The world record is broken when the Shiba Inu coin is broken. It's even stranger than we thought. Shiba News. The Shiba Inu price has gone up a lot in the past week because of all the talk about meme coins. The Shiba coin has gone up in value by 5.74% in the last 24 hours and more than 30% in the last week. The recent rise in meme coins is likely due to Elon Musk's recent takeover of Twitter. People are speculating that Doge could be used with Twitter. With the Shiba army backing the project and showing their support on social media, the token's popularity has gone through the roof. Today, we'll talk about how the Shiba Inu coin broke a world record, which is even crazier than we thought. Before we talk about our topic, let's discuss the chart and see what's going on with the price of Shiba. Shall we? With a 30% gain in a week, many people are wondering how long this uptrend can last, even though it's hard to know what will happen. A careful analysis of the market can help traders make better business decisions. Shiba's price started going up when it was worth more than $900 million. It is now worth $1,000 million, which is a bullish move. More than $1 billion worth of trades happen every day, which has helped its rise. Shiba has run into trouble in the last few days at the $1.50 million level, which has been a strong point of resistance in the past. The RSI indicator on Shiba charts is at 66.48, which is getting close to the overbought zone. So, traders need to be careful about a possible pullback down to 110 millionths of a dollar, where there is support. Here, the bulls can think about buying more to get ready for the next leg up. With strong green bars on the MACD, there is a chance that this trend will keep going in the coming weeks and months. Even if there was a short-term gain, Shiba taking. Let's get back to the subject. The Shiba Inu community is getting ready for a huge upswing because the Shiba Inu team plans to release several new features, such as the Shiba update, the Shiba guide, and treats for the Shiba army. Because of this, the Shiba price of the sword meme token has gone up by more than 10% in the past 24 hours and more than 30% in the past week. Shiba Inu said in a tweet on November 1st that the official Shiba Eternity Player's Guide will be out on November 2nd. The guide is a huge book with more than 1,000 pages. It has information about Shiba's CCG game, original stories, and amazing art. Also, Toshi, a Shiba Inu, is in charge of making the game. In the next tweet, Osama talked about other parts of the Shiba Eternity Guide. He said that the guide has a lot of funny cards, new art, and a deep sci-fi story. In his next blog, he will talk about everything that is going on behind the scenes. Moreover, Toshi Kasama is now focusing on the Shiba Inu community and the Shibarium. Toshi Kasama said last week in chat that Shibarium is coming soon and that he is working on something big for Shiba and us. The Shibarium update was supposed to come out in Q3 2022, but the team missed the deadline. Recent tweets also showed that the launch of the Treat Reward token is coming up soon. But more questions seem to be asked about the Shibarium update. Many people think that the Shiba price will go up a lot after the update because it will cut costs and speed up transactions. While the Shiba Inu team is showing off upcoming updates, the community expects the Shiba price to move up. Now, some people also think that Shiba will have a rally like Dogecoin in the coming weeks. Elon Musk today gave a hint that the Dogecoin might be coming. The cryptocurrency burn rate numbers have changed because the price of SHA has gone up recently. Shiba's burn rate reached 17-20% today, which was one of the most interesting things to happen after the coin prices went down a bit. Data from Crypto Eye shows that 44 million were burned because the number was so high. Shiba in one day, which is 41.9% of all the tokens that have been burned in the last 7 days. Still, even though the burn rate is in the 3-digit range and the number of Shibas sent to dead addresses is in the 6-digit range, their value does not go over $525. It's also important to remember that token burning jumped in favor of an increase a few days before the SHIBA price went up by half in 2 days. So, the number of Shibas burned went up by 16.9% from October 23rd to October 27th. USA Today says that since the beginning of the fall, the amount of Shibarium burned around the world has stayed the same. Since September, the number of new tokens being burned has dropped by 60.6%. This trend is still going on, and based on the graph of the last year, this is a normal situation. Given this, the time from the middle of July to the end of August seems strange. The total number of Shiba Inu dogs was then cut by 7 billion at a time. In July 2022, Shiba Inu will join forces with the Third Floor, the biggest visualization studio, to help make IPs popular for movies, TV, video games, VR, AR, and entertainment in real life. The goal of this collaboration was to make the long-awaited Shiba Inu, or Shiba.io, the metaverse project. The Third Floor will use its skills in making visuals and telling stories to help design and build virtual settings, buildings, and landmarks for a real world inspired by Shiba. Shiba Inu market caps passed Dogecoins in October 2021 and set a new all-time high with a market value of almost $40 billion. The project was one of the top 10 most valuable cryptocurrencies. Despite this, the price of the Shiba Inu fell during the last correction in May and June 2022, and it is still a long way below its historical peak. Those who bought Shiba tokens before the first one blew up might have done well. But because the crypto market is so volatile, many people have lost a lot of money investing in it. Keep in mind that how popular and talked about sushi is could affect how much it costs. When looking for predictions about the yen against the US dollar, keep in mind that analyst and algorithm-based predictions can be wrong. They are based on technical analysis and what has happened in the past with prices. What happened in the past is no guarantee of what will happen in the future. When Shiba Eternity, a mobile game, came out on October 6th, the Shiba Inu community was not happy about it. Investors say that the Shiba team put on a lackluster show. Shiba tried to use the game to help Shiba get the community excited and make money. But this didn't work because people didn't think the game was a success. In reality, Shiba's value started to go down after the game came out, which was probably because the game wasn't very good. The community had been waiting for an update, but it didn't seem to be coming. So, Shibarium, the Shiba version of the metaverse, has been highly anticipated by the community, but no firm release date has been given. In a blog post, the team just shared the artwork for the suggested places to go in the metaverse. So far, only the metaverse, the growth dunes, and the canyon have been shown to the public. Shiba Burn, a website that keeps track of how many and how much Shiba tokens are burned, showed that the rate at which Shiba tokens are burned has gone up by more than 1,900% in the last 24 hours. Also, in the last 24 hours, nearly 14 million Shiba tokens have been burned. As of this writing, this is just one of several fires that have been seen in the last few weeks, but none of them have changed the price of a token. This is partly because there are more tokens in circulation than burned. Shiba's market value to realized value ratio over the past 30 days would suggest. MVRV showed that it was affected by the price hike. At the time this was written, the MVRV had gone over the line and could be seen at 5.82% in the top part of the chart. Even though the price had gone up recently, this meant that buyers had made a profit of more than 5% in the last 30 days. Recent things that have happened with Shiba have not been very interesting. Shiba may have a bad Q4 if something big doesn't happen, like announcing the date for the release of Shiba. Well, guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on Shiba Inu? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a video on the latest Shiba Inu coin and cryptocurrency news. Until the next video comes out, you can watch our other videos about Shiba Inu coin. Thank you for watching, and we will see you again in the next video. Goodbye.